Let's be brutally honest for a second. The headlines aren't lying. The reports from Goldman Sachs, the memos from tech CEOs, they're all saying the same thing. The safe job is dead. We are witnessing the largest disruption to the labor market since the Industrial Revolution. But here is the truth that nobody is telling you on LinkedIn. AI isn't just taking jobs. It is systematically devaluing the middle class. If you are a writer, a coder, a graphic designer, or a customer service rep, your salary is about to be cut in half. Not because you are getting a pay cut, but because a competitor just entered the market who works for pennies. But this video isn't a funeral. It's a treasure map. Because while millions of people are about to lose their income, a small group of people are about to become richer than ever. You are watching the greatest wealth transfer in history. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop being the victim and start being the landlord. Part 1. The replacement. Math. First, we have to understand the math. Why are you being replaced? It's simple economics. In the old world, time equaled money. You traded 8 hours of your day for a salary. In the AI world, output equals money. AI has decoupled time from output. A task that used to take a junior analyst 4 hours to research and compile now takes ChatGPT 30 seconds. If you are selling your time, you are in trouble. You are competing with a machine that doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and doesn't ask for a raise. So if the employee model is broken, how do we profit? We have to switch teams. We have to move from being the user to being the owner. Here are the 3 specific ways to profit from the very technology that is threatening your job. Part 2. Profit strategy number 1, the fragmentation arbitrage. The first way to profit is by capitalizing on the chaos. Big companies are slow. They are firing people in bulk to save costs, but they still have work that needs to be done. They are fragmenting their workforce. They are moving from full-time employees to task-based freelancers. Here is the profit play. You need to become a specialized agency of one. The old way. A company pays a marketing employee $70,000 a year. The new way. The company fires that employee and hires 3 freelancers on a project basis. You profit by positioning yourself as the AI-powered specialist. Don't offer graphic design. That is a commodity. Offer high-volume social media asset creation powered by AI. You use Midjourney to generate 50 design concepts in an hour. A human designer would take a week. You sell the package for $500. You did it in an hour. The profit comes from the gap between the speed of AI and the old pricing models of the industry. You are arbitraging the efficiency gap. Part 3. Profit strategy number 2. The tools over talent model. The second way to profit is by selling the shovel, not digging the hole. Everyone is panicked about their jobs. What are they doing? They are scrambling to learn AI. They are buying courses, subscribing to software, and looking for prompts. This creates a massive opportunity in the productivity economy. If you have any technical inclination, stop trying to compete with AI. Build the tools that help others use AI. This doesn't mean you have to code a competitor to ChatGPT. It means building micro-tools. There are people making thousands a month selling prompt libraries on Gumroad. There are people building simple Zapier automations for small businesses that connect ChatGPT to their email inboxes. You aren't doing the work. You are building the system that does the work. The demand for AI automation is skyrocketing. Small businesses don't know how to connect ChatGPT to their CRM. You can charge $1,000 to set that up for them. Profit doesn't come from doing the job anymore. It comes from setting up the robot to do the job. Part 4. Profit strategy number 3. The human premium. This is the most counterintuitive profit strategy, but it might be the most profitable of all. As AI floods the market with cheap generic content, the value of verified human connection is going to skyrocket. We are already seeing AI fatigue. People can spot a ChatGPT email. They can spot a generated LinkedIn post. The profit here lies in the human premium. If you can prove you are authentic, you can charge a premium. Look at search engine optimization, SEO. Google is starting to penalize sites that are just pure AI spam. They are looking for experience, expertise, authority, and trust. If you build a personal brand based on your real-life experience, something AI can never replicate, you become a scarce asset. The profit play? Double down on being human. Offer high-touch consulting. Offer coaching. Offer opinions. AI can give information, but it cannot provide insight derived from lived experience. In a world of artificial intelligence, being real is the ultimate luxury product. Conclusion: the fork in the road. So here is the reality. The job market is splitting in two. On one side, you have the AI underclass, people competing with algorithms on price, watching their wages drop to the floor. On the other side, you have the AI aristocracy, people who use the algorithm to multiply their output, build systems, and sell efficiency. The choice is yours. You can spend the next 6 months complaining about the technology, or you can spend the next 6 months learning how to wield it. The jobs are disappearing, but the opportunities? They are just getting started. Stop acting like an employee. Start thinking like an owner.